Pit and fissure sealants. A fissure sealant is a material that is placed in the pit and fissures of teeth in order to prevent or arrest the development of dental caries. History of pit and fissure sealants. In 1905, Miller initiated application of silver nitrate. In 1923, prophylactic odontomy, the term was published by Hyatt. In 1929, Bodecker suggested fissure eradication. In 1955, Buonocore introduced acid etching. In 1962, Bowen developed bis GMA resin. Classification of pit and fissure sealants. Sealants are classified into resin-based sealants, glass ionomer sealants, polyacid modified resin sealants. Resin-based sealants are further classified based on curing methods into first generation UV light of 350 nanometer wavelength, second generation chemically cured or self-cured, third generation visible light of 470 nanometer wavelength, fourth generation fluoride releasing sealants based on presence of filler, filled and unfilled, based on translucency, opaque and transparent. Technique for placement of sealants. Polishing the tooth surface using pumice, isolation and drying the tooth surface using cotton rolls and saliva ejector, acid etching done using 37% orthophosphoric acid, etching time is 20 seconds, then rinsing time is 30 seconds and dried with compressed air for 15 seconds, followed by isolation and drying. Then the bonding agent is placed. Sealant is placed and evaluated. Check for occlusion is done and then follow up. Indications of pit and fissure sealants. Sound teeth, pit and fissure separated by transverse ridge, many occlusal lesions, few proximal lesions, deep narrow pit and fissures, recently erupted tooth. Contraindication, carious pit and fissures, carious teeth, many proximal lesions, broad, well coalesced pit and fissure, teeth caries free for 4 or more years.